Next, problem number 8. A turbine is rated at 60 horsepower when the flow of water through it is 0.61 cubic meter per second, assuming an efficiency of 87%. What is the head acting on the turbine? So, itong version ng problem na to, actually, para siyang binaliktad ng mga previous natin. So, yung mga previous kasi na problem natin, binibigay or mauunang makukompute yung head before getting the power. Pero dito, baliktad. Sa power muna, tapos ang hinahanap naman is yung head. So, ang ating equation pa rin, ang equation ng power is gamma QE. Pero, kapag turbine ito, basically, ang gagamitin natin is the head extracted. So, dito, pag sinabing rated na turbine or the rating ng isang turbine or even pump, so pag sinabing rating ng any motor, yun na yung kumbaga amount of power na lumalabas sa kanya. So etong 60 HP na to, that is basically yung P out of turbine or turbine. And take note, 'di ba sabi natin, kapag etong kay formula ng power na gamma QE, so ang lalabas dito, yan yung P in of turbine. So, kailangan muna natin hanapin ano yung P in niya. Kasi dun kay power input, nandun yung head acting on the turbine. So, to do that, nandyan yung efficiency na 87%. So, by formula, that's efficiency na 87% equivalent siya kay P out over P in. So, this is P out na 60 divided by P in. So, ang power input doon sa ating turbine is 68.96552 horsepower. Now, if i-convert natin ito, multiply natin ng 746 para maging watts. 746. So, this is 51448.27792. So, this is in terms of watts naman. Okay? And then, etong P in ni turbine, yun yung isasalpak natin sa equation ng power na ito. So, we have 51,448.27792 equal siya kay gamma. So, since this is water, and take note, naka-watts na to, no? So, ang gagamitin niya pag watts, Newton per cubic meter per second, and then meter na head extracted. So, this is 9810 times discharge na. So, 0.61. So, given ito, cubic meter per second, and then we have the head extracted. So, ang ating head extracted, so yan na rin yung tinutukoy niyang head acting on the turbine. Kasi dito sa ating general equation, etong E na ito, that's the energy or head dun sa mismong turbine natin. So, ang ating HE is, so 51,448.27792 over 9810 times 0.61. So, we have parang may mali ako nung na-input kanina. Okay, so we have 8.5975. So, this is in meters. So, ito na yung answer natin for this problem. So, hindi na kailangan mag-Bernoulli, no? Kasi pabaliktad yung solution natin. Di ba yung mga previous, Bernoulli muna para mahanap yung head and then solve for power. Pero dito kasi binaliktad yung process. So, binigay yung power muna na tinatanong si head. Pero ito naman possible na variation ng problem na 'to, so puwede namang itanong yung pressure or velocity given yung power. So literal na binaliktad lang yung process natin dun sa mga naunang problem. Okay, so that's our problem number 8.